Connect armrest B to metal frame H. Pay attention to the position of the metal frame. Attach connector O to armrest B. Repeat this step for the armrest C. Erect the two installed frames. Align and connect both frames H. Do not fully tighten yet. Insert the top and bottom screws first. Then the middle ones. Ensuring both frames H are perfectly aligned. Then fully tighten all screws. Tightening requires using both L and W. Attach leg N to the side of frame H with holes. Then, attach leg M to the opposite side. Attach backrest A. Insert the two bottom screws first. Then the two top screws. And fully tighten all screws. Repeat step 5 for the other backrest A. Screw legs AA with washers into the bottom of the armrests. Set the frame upright. Attach leg K to the outer side of frame I. Attach leg L to the inner side of frame I. Pay attention to the leg orientation. Repeat step for the other side and the second frame I. Place frame I with legs facing down onto board J and tighten the screws. Repeat step for the other side. Place both assembled frames I onto the main sofa frame. Tip: secure the metal frame with straps X when pulling out the bed. Carefully open all vacuum-sealed cushions. Do not cut the fabric. The two parts of cushion E differ in size. Place cushion E with the smaller part facing down. Place cushion G against the backrest. Place pillow D to complete the assembly. The metal frame has stop points. Slightly raising and pulling out one section creates a chaise lounge, and raising and pulling out another section creates a bed.